How to create an attractive transparent button with borders. Step 1. Click on the Section Plus button and choose Action button. Step 2. Right-click on Button and choose Button Settings. Update the button text and link. Step 3. Update the button style so it has the same look and feel as the button above. Step 4. Go to Preview to check out what your page looks like once published. Step 5. Use the screen width selector to simulate testing for responsive layouts on different size devices. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos in this channel for more web design tutorials.